Okay, we are from group 4. We will be explained by reformulating space and time. Introduce myself. My name is Hilda Octavia with NPM 18 and my friend Novitarias with NPM 17. The first material explained by me. The first introduction, a background. The concept of space and time in classical physics were considered absurd. However, Einstein's theory of relativity challenged this view by showing that space and time are dynamic and interconnected entities. Next, theoretical framework. The first, classical physics. Space and time are absolute, separate, and unified by observers. The second, Einstein relativity, especially relativity, time and length are relative to the observer velocity, and general relativity. Gravity is the curvature of space-time caused by mass. The third, quantum mechanics, the attempt to unify relativity with a quantum mechanics has led to new experiments. Reformulation of the concept of space and time. Space and time as relational entities. In the Newtonian mechanics, space and time were seen as absolute, fixed background. Einstein's theory of relativity introduced the idea that space and time are interconnected into a single entity, space-time, and that both are influenced by mass and energy. Philosopher Leibniz further argued that space and time do not exist independently but only as relationships among physical objects. The social production of space, Henry Lefebvre. Space is not merely physical or geometric, it is socially constructed through human action, cultural meanings, and power structure. Lefebvre introduced a concept triad: the first, spatial practice; the second, representation of space; the third, representational space. Time-space compression. David Harvey. In the modern capitalist world, technological advances in transport and communication have compressed our experience of time and space. Global interaction now occur almost instantaneously, making distance feel shorter and time feel faster. The next, ontology of space and time. Philosophical ontology asks, are space and time real, independent entities or mental constructs we use to interpret reality? Some argue there are fundamental structures that shape human consciousness and experience. The next material will explain by Novi.
Okay, the next material about implication of the reformulation. In science, number one, GPS accuracy. GPS requires relativity correction due to difference in time perception between satellite and Earth based on Einstein's theory. Number two, theory of everything. like string theory and to unify general relativity and quantum mechanics, redefining space and time at the smallest scales. Last, time, travel, and black holes. Concepts like wormholes and black holes are explored theoretical, offering insight into extreme space-time and supporting discovery like gravitational waves. Next, implication of the Reformation in philosophy and culture. In philosophy, internalist view, past, present, and future are equally real. Causality and free will challenges the ideas of free will and linear time. In culture and technology, science fiction inspires film like Interstellar and other creative work. Global perspective accelerated global interaction, social acceptation of time and efficiency. Conclusion: the reformulation of space and time represents a fundamental shift from viewing them as absolute and separate entities to understanding them as relational and dynamic. Einstein's theory of relativity introduced the concept of space-time, where space and time are interconnected and influenced by mass and energy, while quantum mechanics challenges this further at the microscopic level. Philosophical, it prompts that reflection on relativity, determinism, and existence, as seen in concepts like internalism. Culturally, thinkers such as Le Corbusier and Harvey highlight that space and time are shaped by social particles and global capitalism. Thus, development have broad implications, not only advancing scientific technology like GPS and theoretical physics, but also influencing art, film, and how we perceive human existence in the universe.
Okay, that's all the presentation from our group. If there are any wrong words, we apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.